Hello, everyone! Today, let's talk about some common mistakes English learners make and how to fix them. 1. He go to school. Correction. He goes to school. Remember, with he, she, or it, we add s to the verb in present simple. 2. I am agree. Correction. I agree. Agree is a verb, so you don't need am. Just say, I agree. 3. I have 25 years. Correction. I am 25 years old. In English, we use am for age, not have. 4. I didn't went. Correction. I didn't go. After did, always use the base verb. Go, eat, see. 5. Can you explain me? Correction. Can you explain it to me? Explain needs an object, then to me. These small changes make your English sound more natural. Keep practicing and see you next time.